Here's a fun little demolition toy.
Warning. Detonator activated. Blast charges are live.
Taking the lid off, you can see that it is two spring-loaded ends, and here's a little lever that pops those spring-loaded things open. You can see now the device that holds those two black things together. I took the springs out, you can see them there, so that I could demonstrate how those black things look closed up and how that little fork thing holds them closed. And soon you'll see the lever that removes that fork from the black things, allowing them to pop out. In a minute you'll be able to see the motor rotating a tab that hits this lever that backs the fork off of the two black plungers. Here's the motor spinning that tab. And here's just a different view of it. And there we have a look at our little demolition toy with maybe some ideas on how to pop a spring-loaded plunger of some type.